Dear ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to tell you a little story about our beloved school, Muhammadiyah Cibinong Elementary School. Our school is not just a place to study, but it's also a very fun place to explore and deepen what you love. The school environment is also comfortable and beautiful. Every morning, we always choose trash in its proper place to keep our school clean. In the schoolyard, there are many shady trees and a lovely flower garden. Our teachers also always teach us to respect each other and care about our environment. Our school has a vision to create a generation with a noble character, lifelong learning